boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, love it.
I gave it all for fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name.
Alright girls, let's get our life together. Good morning girls. It is self-care Sunday. We have a lot to do. I have to do my hair. I'm going to show you guys my wash routine as well when it comes to getting the perfect silk press. Oh, and I am no longer waxing. I have a laser hair removal device for at-home use, which is kind of scary to say, but I've seen so many reviews on this specific product that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And you guys peep my roses. Bae got me some roses this morning. I was not expecting that. I woke up and I saw a text from him and he said, I'm at the store, I'll be back. I have my nails done already, so typically I would either go get them done or I would just do my DIY nail press-ons, which I posted a video on Instagram. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click that link down in the description box. And those nails lasted me like a month. I think it's really important that us ladies take care of ourselves, you know, find that time to get something done for yourself, whether that be going on a walk. It can be as simple as that. Journaling, just taking time to pray, to really like connect with God. I had to start pumping because my boobs start leaking. And I also grabbed me some tart cherry juice. You know, I'm just very grateful that my partner is like 100% always like, go take care of what you need to take care of, do what you need to do, mom. But I just feel so much guilt like leaving him with the baby a lot. I don't know, I just feel guilt for just doing stuff for myself that I used to do for myself. But anyways, ladies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's do some self-care. We are headed to the beauty supply store because I need to grab heat protectant and I need to grab some bio silk. I saw this TikTok where they were testing out how good a heat protectant was, and I guess bedhead or something heat protectant was like really good, but the best heat protectant was this olaplex heat protectant, and I had screenshot it, so let me see. It is the Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. It doesn't say heat protectant though, but I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna choose between those two, whichever one I find. Okay girls, we got the goods. Why did I almost forget the one thing I came in there for? One of the things that I came in there for. I was walking to the register and I'm like, wait a minute, I need something else. And then I still couldn't think about what the hell I needed. Anyways, I ended up getting bio silk. I got a small little bottle because I don't plan on flat ironing my hair that much. I also got the Olaplex heat protectant, some edge booster, because I've been using this other edge control and it just has not been holding my hair. I am very excited for this wash day. I got a new shower head and it comes with a scalp massaging attachment, and it's a filtered shower head at that. Alright girls, we are taking these clip-ins out. It is long overdue. I'm talking about it's long overdue. It's literally only been like a week, maybe a week and a half since I had them in. I'm just going to separate out my leave out. I actually love the idea of clip-ins. This hairstyle, in my opinion, looked better than when I had got my curly quick weave. Like, I was not a fan of that curly quick weave. Like, it was cute for a second, but I think I just did not like the curl pattern of the hair. So I'm just taking these down. My hair feels very nice and moisturized. It does not feel dry. about to oil our hair before I wash. My hair feels really good and really hydrated, so I'm happy that my hair hasn't been drying out underneath these clip-ins. I'm about to do a scalp massage. I am using the oil that my hairdresser gave me, and I use this when I put in my clip-ins to make sure my hair stayed nice and moisturized. And I'm going to take this scalp massager. I'm gonna go in circular motions along my entire scalp. This is a serious arm workout, you guys. I just want to make sure I am stimulating my scalp. My scalp feels really nice. I really want to massage along my edges just because postpartum hair loss. I noticed when I got my silk press and she was washing my hair that my edges were like slightly thinning. So I just want to make sure I keep them nice and alive and nourished. All right, besties, it's been like a couple hours. If y'all don't know about Revair, this is a reverse air blow dryer. If you guys don't have one of these things, please get one. It's well worth the money. So this is the blow dryer. It is a bit bulky, but it's way less work. And I think after using this blow dryer, I was like, I could actually be a like blowout girl. Like I could be a blowout girly. I'm going in with the Olaplex heat protectant. It just blew out my hair. Like flat ironing is going to take no time at all. So I am literally like almost done doing my hair. And when I tell y'all, this literally took me like 10 minutes. It's insane. See, my days will come without literally all you do with this blow dryer, you just make sure your hair is blow dried, not too wet, detangled, doesn't have too many products on it. You can set the heat to cool, warm, or hot. You can change the suction, so you can make the suction like really intense or just like a light suction. But yeah, that's literally it. Is all done. So I am going in with my flat iron from Kirsten S. It has 4 temperature settings. It's 280, 365, 400, and 440. This heat protector handles up to 450. When I flat iron, I do very small sections and I chase with a brush, not a rat tail comb, because a brush just makes more sense in my opinion. So the back of my hair is pretty straight. This blow dryer definitely made this process way easier. I just want to show you kind of my technique. So I just take a small section and I take my brush, and it's a hard bristle brush, and I just hit the roots a couple times, and then I bring it down. Yeah, that's it. That's literally, and that's one pass. One pass, but I am gonna hit the ends one little time just to give it a little bump. And that's one pass. I don't know if y'all can see how freaking good that looks, but I'm gonna show y'all on this side as well. This is just blow dried. Look how smooth that is. Smooth, silky. Yes, in one pass. Very silky, very smooth. All right, friends, so we just finished our silk press. She's cute, she's silky, she has body, she has movement, she has shine, okay? And I am just loving, loving, loving this on me. I love this bob when it's straightened. It just gives mother. It gives. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Enjoyed watching me take care and pamper myself all day, really. So shout out to my man for holding it down all day because it is currently like 8 o'clock and he's had the baby since 10:30. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, please let me know down below. Comment some of your self-care must-haves within your routine. And thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah! I love you guys. See you in the next video.